Press Tab to go to edit mode. Now press 1, 2 or 3 to go to edit vertex, edit edge or edit face. Now we need edit edge. Press 2. Turn on X-ray to see the polygons behind the object. Now place your cursor in the middle of this edge and press Ctrl R. Left mouse button, right mouse button. Then move your cursor in the middle of this edge, press Ctrl R. Left mouse button, right mouse button. Okay. Now press A to select all edges. Press S 0.3. Enter. Then press S Z 15. Enter. Now double A to deselect all selections. Hold down left mouse button, select these edges and press numpad del to focus to the object. Now select this edge, hold down shift and select this one and this and this. Press G, Z and move it along that axis. Okay, now hold down Alt and select this edge. Press S, X and make it a little bigger. Left mouse button to apply the changes. Scroll out. Now press numpad 1 to change the viewing angle. Hold down left mouse button and select these edges. Press G, Z. Okay. Hold down left mouse button and select these edges. Press G, Z. Okay. Now press S, Z. Left mouse button. Hold down shift and middle mouse button to move in 3D space. Now move your cursor on this edge, press Ctrl R, scroll 2 times, left mouse button, right mouse button, then press S, Z and make it smaller. Press numpad del to focus to the selected object. Press 1 to go to edit vertex. Select this vertex. Place your cursor on the side you want to detach. Press V, Z, left mouse button. Select this, G, Z, left mouse button. Then press this vertex. Don't forget, place your cursor on the side you want to detach. Press V, Z, left mouse button. Select this one, press G, Z, left mouse button. V, Z, left mouse button. G, Z, left mouse button. Okay, now press 2 to go to edit edge. Hold down Alt and select these edges. Press E, X, something like that. Press M at center. Hold down Alt and select these edges. Press E, X, left mouse button, M at center. Hold down Alt, select edges, press E, X, left mouse button, M at center. Scroll out. Okay. Now hold down left mouse button and select this edge. Press G, Z. Left mouse button. Then press S and make it a little bigger. Now place your cursor in the middle of this edge. Press Ctrl R, left mouse button, right mouse button. Press numpad del to focus to the object. Press 1 to go to edit vertex. Press V, Z, left mouse button. Select this one, press G, Z, left mouse button. Press 2 to go to edit edge. Hold down Alt, select edges, press E, X. Okay. Scroll out and then press E again. Something like that. Now press R and rotate it. Left mouse button. Press S and make it smaller. Again, press E, left mouse button. Then press M at center. Now place your cursor in the middle of this edge. Ctrl R, left mouse button, right mouse button. Press 1 to go to edit vertex. Select this one. Place your cursor on the side you want to detach. Don't forget about it. Press V, Z. Okay. Now press 2 to go to edit edge. Hold down Alt and select these edges. Press E, X, left mouse button. Press M at center. Now hold down left mouse button and select these edges. Press S, left mouse button, scroll out, press G, Z, move it along Z axis, something like that. Double A to deselect all selections. Hold down left mouse button, select these edges, press G, Z. Left mouse button. Okay, scroll out, hold down Shift and middle mouse button to move in 3D space. Now press 3 to go to edit face. Then hold down left mouse button and select half of our sword. Press X, select faces. Now press 2 to go to edit edge. Now move your cursor in this place. Hold down left mouse button and select these edges. Then hold down Shift, left mouse button and select edges. Hold down Shift, left mouse button, select edges. Hold down Shift, left mouse button, select edges. And hold down Shift, left mouse button, edges. Okay, nice. Now press Ctrl E, select Mark Seam, press Tab to go to Object Mode. Now go to Modifiers tab, add Modifier, Mirror. Now go to Material Properties, select 2 new slots, select first material, move your cursor in 3D viewport, press Tab to go to Edit Mode, press 3 to go to Edit Face, then place your cursor over this part, press L. Then change the color, something like that, metallic. Okay, double A to deselect all selections. Now place your cursor over this part, press L, select second slot, click New, change the color, something like that, press Assign. Double A to deselect all selections in 3D viewport. Place your cursor on this part, press L, then this L, this L, this L, and select third slot, click new, change the color, something like that, and press assign. Now press tab to go to object mode, change viewport shading, hold down middle mouse button to change the viewing angle, press S, Y to make it smaller along Y axis, and press R, Z to rotate our sword. You can also press right click on your sword and select shade smooth, something like that.